Okay, G for correct. Correct, ma. Done. Magic squares is a very interesting topic of mathematics. I feel most of you know this. If not, I will explain one question. After that, you can try, and the
Sir, I
remaining you can
didn't
try as a
know, sir.
homework. In magic squares, they will give the hint. Sum 15. Sum 15 means add rows, any row, the total has to be 15. Or add columns, total has to be 15. That is the rule. And see that the numbers what are used, one should not be repeated. That is the main condition. If you look at the first row, 6 plus 7, 13. But we need 15. So here there is no other option. You had to take 2. You have to take. Is it right? Cross check the column. 2, 9, 4. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4, 15. Yes, I am right. 9, 5. What is to be taken here? Total should be 15. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 will become 15. Is it right? 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15. Yes, I am right. Next, last row. 8 plus 4, 12. 12, I need 15. So there should be 3. Is it right? Check this column. 7 plus 5 plus 3, 15. Not only row and column, you have to check diagonal also. 6, 5, 4, 15, 2, 5, 8. This also 15. All rows, all columns must be same as per the condition mentioned in the question. This is how we have to complete the squares. One question I did. You do the second one, not all 4. Any 2 questions you do, other we can give as homework. If you have completed, fine.
Completed, sir.
Explained. What, Sucheta?
Completed, sir.
Very good, very good.
Sir, I have done all the 4.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Very easy.
Here many blanks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those who completed, they can try this.
Sir, which one? Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Out of 9, only 4 numbers I gave. When blanks are more, that means difficulty level is more. You have to think more.
Then, sir. Sir, I'm not getting second one, sir.
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Second one, sir. Sir, I got the third one.
This board one or on the screen one?
Screen one, sir. Screen.
Screen one. Sum 12.
Sir.
Abhinav, sum 12 problem.
Yes, sir. Phone problem. I am not getting this 12th one, sir. Awesome.
Some 12. Okay.
Sir, I got the fourth one answer.
Very good. Abhinav is not getting this. Why?
Sir,
Let me check.
I don't know this name, sir. Sir,
Yes.
may I say the answers of fourth one?
Wait. Let us. I'm doing second one. Abhinav, you clear? You want some 12. 8
Yes,
plus
sir.
1, 9. 9 already there. I want 12. So it has to be 3.
3.
Next. 7 plus 2 plus 3. Yes. 12 I got. 6 plus 2. 8.
Plus 2.
I want 12. 6 plus 2, 8. I want 12. It has to be 4. You add this, subtract from 12. That you are supposed to do. Next. 7 plus 0. 7. 7 plus something 12. It has to be 5.
Right, sir. Okay.
Like that.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is my answer correct?
Which one?
Sir, Huzefa, fifth one. Sir, I also got the same answer for second one.
Fifth one. This one.
Yes, sir. Sir, I got also the same. Sir, at the top it's 1 and at left side it's 3 and at below it's 9 and at right it's 7 and in the middle is 5. Yes, sir. Five, sir. 7. And sir, here
Sir, can
7.
I write in the fifth one 2, 5 and 8?
Sir, 7.
The second column
7.
2, 5 and 8.
Sir, the middle one is 5.
Yes.
2, 5, 1, 9, 4,
Sir, are we going to
5,
do magic squares today?
But sir,
Magic
can
squares?
the fifth one, sir, we can
Only magic
make
squares?
the 3 into, sir,
Yes.
sir, we can make the 3 into 2 and 7 into 8, right? In the second column.
Second column.
The fifth one.
What do you want to do?
Sir, you have wrote 3, but we can write 2 and for the 7 we can write 8, right?
If you write 2 here, this total will not be 15. Total has to be 15 in all the rows and columns.
Okay, sir.
See.
Sir, you can go once again. First.
Okay. Got it. Magic squares just I gave in the beginning so that some interesting puzzles can be done. Let us jump into the real syllabus.
It's over, sir. Abhinav, 5 years. 5 over, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the topic patterns. Today we are going to complete this because next class onwards we will revise the syllabus for the coming half yearly examination. Look at the patterns here. Okay. All from textbook only. You look at the down diagram. Logic is explained in the above diagram. One circular is there. 7. 70. 10.
Sir, you will send the PDF.
Why? Why you are asking? Hmm?
Sir, should we write this?
I will explain first, then you can write. See, in examination, what happens? It will be given something like this. There, question, answer, everything is there. I wrote the hints also, but let me explain here. It will be. Abhi, now you are singing songs in the class, huh?
No, sir, I am not.
Then who is that?
Another.
Sir, that's Pavitra.
Pavitra. Pavitra. Pavitra. Why you are singing songs in the class? Where is she?
Jeevita.
Huh? Who is Pavitra? or
Jeevita.
Huh?
Jeevita.
No, Jeevita, not Pavitra is not there. Jeevita. Jeevita, where are you? Why you are singing songs in the class? You tell me. Yeah, she is removed from the class. Okay. Now, if you want to draw all this, it takes a lot of time. I will share after the class. You can copy it afterwards. Just listen. Don't write anything. Just listen and answer if I ask. Here, some patterns are given. In circle, some numbers are there. Hello. Oh. Yes, simple. If you look at this, in circle, some numbers are there. In boxes, some numbers are there. There is a relation between them. What is the relation between them? It is a multiplication. 7 into 10 is 70. Here 10 and 2. So what should be in the box?
20.
10 into 2.
20, sir.
20.
10 into 2.
Next.
24.
13 into 2.
13 into 2.
I have 30 to the 26, sir.
26, sir.
26, sir.
13. 13 5 ja. 65.
65, sir.
14 5 ja. 70.
45 is 70.
14 7 ja. 98.
8.
98.
98. Okay. So this is the pattern you have to identify, and if any number is missing, you must be able to give the solution.
So we have to add by the sides, and the middle will be the answer.
Yes, not add, multiply.
Multiply.
See here, some numbers are missing that you have to answer.
Okay, sir.
See here, some numbers are missing. Of course, answer is side by side only. Boxes are missing. First box, 9, 11.
Sir,
In between there is a box.
9 12, sir. 9 12, 9
Nine
12,
12
sir.
here.
Not 8.
Yes. This side, 9 into 11, 99. One more box is there, 11, 6. Okay?
99, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
9 sir.
I will send the worksheet. This you can try, you can write later. Now just give the answers. Whatever you
Okay,
observe, give the answer. Okay. So when you get 12 here and 7 is here, 12, 7 in between, 84
sir.
should be there.
12 7 sir, 84 sir.
Yes. Check and give the answers for all. Just concentrate. No need to write anything. You can write later. This you have to do later. Not right now. There is no time. So just look and think and tell the answers. I wrote the solutions also. How I got everything I mentioned here, just to go through it. Completed now? See how you can do this.
12 7 18.
Next one. See 8 and 8.
64 sir.
R 128.
See 8 is here. 8 is here, 8 is here. So here what we will get? 64 we get here.
64.
Here 64 is there. This is 4, this is 64. So what should we have here?
16.
16, 4 is 64. Or divide
Sir, we
64
should
by
have
4.
4.
Or divide 64 by 4, you will get 16. If directly you can't guess, you can do it. Here 8 and 104 is there. Divide 104 by 8. You will get the hint. 13 should be there.
13.
Or if you know the 13 table, you can do it.
Sir, there will be 13 there.
Yes. Once you get 13 here, 13 and 78. Divide 78 by 13 or 13 table, when you will get 78, you have to think.
13
6
and 6 sir.
13
6.
6 If you are good at multiplications and divisions, you can do all this.
13 6 is 78.
Yes, correct.
Thank you sir.
Look at this.
Sir, should we write this now?
No, don't write anything. I will send everything to you. 24 plus 19 plus 37 equal to 37 plus 24 plus 19. 3 numbers. Same 3 numbers are again taken here. Whatever the order, you will get the same answer. Why means add LHS left hand side, add right hand side, check what you are going to get. 24 plus 19 add, again add 37. It gives 40, not 40, 80. Here also you are getting 80. In exam, what type of questions will come? 37, 24, 19, they will hide. They will hide, you have to identify which term should be there. They can ask like this. They can ask like this. This you can write. This, if you want, you can write. I gave the explanation that you no need to write in the notebook. Just I gave the explanation so that it should be clear. What should be there in the box? 215, 120, 600. Same three numbers again here. Whatever you take in LHS, same will be there in
Sir,
our
120. Sir, 120.
600 is here, 600 is here. 215 is here, 215 is here. 120 is here. That should be here. That's how you have to guess. Now fill these boxes. This you can write.
So, first one answer is 40, next 20, after that 34.
14 plus 14 is here, 14 is here. These two numbers should be taken here. Any order. Any order.
Sir, shall we write these?
Yes, you have to write this.
Okay, sir.
A simple thing, no, easily you can write. First one completed. Second one, third one. Second one, may I know the answer? 42, 42 is there.
Sir, I'm
Hey.
done.
Same order should not, we should not write the same order. 65 not in the beginning. Let me write here. And let me write here. Just change the order. 400 is here, 400 is not here. That means this has to be 400. Obviously. 200, 300. So 200, 300. You can write any order. But better to see not same order should come there.
Sir, I had done.
Yes. Yes, ask.
Done, sir.
So we have to write right one in left one and left one in right one.
Yeah, same. Both are same. Always left and right are same. When you are adding three numbers, you can add in any order. Order is not important in the addition. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, both same. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, reverse order. But answer is same. That is.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, the D1, can I write it my own?
Yes, you can write.
Sir, mine is not okay, sir.
Hmm?
Sir,
What?
mine is not okay. Sir,
Is there on the board?
can you please do the back one? Back slide. Yes, sir.
Sir, over.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Over, sir. Done, sir.
Not only in addition, multiplication also order is not important. You can multiply two numbers in any order. You can multiply two numbers in any order. See, their big numbers are there. I will take small numbers. 3 into 8, 8 into 3. Are the same or not? Are
Yes,
the same?
sir, but we wrote it another order.
3 into 8 or 8 into 3, both will be same. LHS, RHS will give the same result because this is 24, this is also 24. 48 into 13, 13 into 48, yes, both are same. What is the value? You have to multiply and get it. Of course, the answer is 624. So anyway, whenever you multiply two numbers, irrespective of the order, they will be same. 12 into 15 equal to, they can give like this. Okay. What will be the answer? What will be the answer?
15, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to write 15 over
Yes,
there.
yes, yes. Wait. Anyone? Come on.
Sir, we should write this.
Yes, yes, yes. Simple question, no?
Sir, in the third one, we have to write near the
Yes, yes.
12, we have to write 15.
12 into 15, 15 into 12, any order, the result will be same. 16 into 20, 20 into 60, result will be same. Done? Okay. What is the speciality of this number?
Sir, it is
121.
same from the left side and the right side.
Same from left side and right side. Okay. Can you tell me some words, English words or Telugu words also, better English, which looks like this from both the sides, same. Can you tell me? Make a guess.
Sir,
Yes,
I know one.
yes.
Malayalam. From right to left and left to right. Malayalam.
Yes, sir.
Malayalam. One more. This is called palindrome system. Palindrome system means from either side, same. How many of you have taken Telugu?
Interesting. Some.
In Telugu, there is one word called kitiki. Kitiki. I don't know how to write T. Kitiki.
Sir, your voice is cut.
Cut, cut. The voice is not continuous, not cut, cut. What is that language? In Telugu, how to write ta? I don't know how to write ta. Vikata Kavi, you know about this? Vikata Kavi. Those who are taken Telugu, Vikata Kavi. From both the sides, it is same.
Sir, not that one, sir.
Not that. Ta is there. Ta is something else. I don't know. Okay. Malayalam is one English word. Any other English word is there?
Sir, I'm trying. Sir, madam.
Madam.
Sir, ma'am. Ma'am. Dad.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Mom. Sir, mom.
Ma'am, sir.
M-O-M.
Ma'am.
And
Sir,
sir,
from the
dad.
both
D-A-D,
ma'am and mom.
D-A-D.
For your kind information, ma'am or mom are not legal English words. Stylishly, you are calling your mother as mom. There is no legal English word called mom or ma'am.
Mom, dad.
Amma.
Mom, dad.
Sir, AMMA.
Dad.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
mom, dad.
Amma, AMMA.
A. Amma. Wow. Telugu in English. Okay.
Sir, in Telugu,
Abba.
Okay. Now, see, listen. Our mathematics is nothing to do with this. Just I recollected.
Sir, in
One-
Telugu, Nana.
I told you stop talking. This English words is not our topic now. Our topic is mathematics. 121. From both the sides, it has the same meaning. Just to expand this, elaborate this, I gave some examples. It is not that I'm stopping mathematics, I'm teaching Amma, Nana, Talli, Chelli, not that. Okay, I am teaching mathematics only. Okay, why this topic came? Here, I will tell one simple puzzle. Please start doing this. If you take a rough paper and pen, start doing a puzzle. Assume any two-digit number, your choice. Any two-digit number. Any two-digit number starting from 10 to 99, any number. Okay. Suppose I have taken 24. Okay,
20.
my choice. I had taken 24. Now, what I'm doing is, I will reverse the digits.
42.
Don't do anything. Listen. Just listen. What you are supposed to do, I am telling with example, taking myself. 24 is taken. Reverse the digits. What I got? 66. Is it looking same from both the sides?
Yes, sir.
But this is not always possible for all the numbers. Suppose I take 28. If I reverse the digits, what I will get?
Isn't it? 110.
110. Is it looking from same? No.
No,
Then
sir.
what to do? Then take reverse of this. Now add
11.
1, 1, 1. Is it looking same?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Now you do this.
Yes, sir.
Now you do this, you will get this. When you add, you will get the same. If you are not getting, again reverse and add, you will get same. Definitely will get same. Check. Any number. 76.
72.
No, I have taken 76 and 67. I will add.
Sir, I have to 27 and 72.
143 I got. 143 I got. Reverse. 341. Add. Yes, same from both the sides. So this is a pattern, a special pattern. You can ask your friends like a game. You can play this as a game. Some people will get immediately. If I take 36, 63, I will get 99 immediately. I will get immediately this palindrome logic. If not, reverse add, then you will get. First attempt or second attempt, you will get. That is called this palindrome system.
I randomly took a number and I got a number, special number, which is 99.
Oh,
I added 72 and 27, then I got 99, a special number,
yeah.
a random number I got.
Sir, I'm taking 84, sir.
Whatever, yeah. 84 you can take, 84 and 48. See the same example I'm showing here. Sometimes you will get directly. For example, 43, 34, you got 77, fine. If not, suppose you take 48, 84, 132 is not a special number. Then reverse 132, 231, add. Then you will get special number. That's a game. You can try with these numbers. 28, 132, you can try with a 3-digit number also. 2-digit number easy to add. 3-digit number takes time. That's why I have not given 3-digit number.
Sir,
Okay.
I got it.
Look at this.
28 times 121.
Look at this. 2 sentences I gave here. First sentence, second sentence. Is the sentence same from both the ends? Check. Is the sentence same from both the ends? Please check.
Yes, sir. No lemon, no melon. It's reversed. Sir, I understood the pattern. How it
No lemon, no melon.
Get the answer.
When you take the reverse, maybe the word formation is different, but same you will get. No, you have to separate this. No. Then you have to separate this. Lemon. No lemon. No melon. You have to group like this. Same answer. No lemon, no melon. From reverse also. No melon, no lemon. No lemon, no melon.
No melon.
Step not on pets.
out.
Step not on pets. Same. Step not on pets. From reverse. You will get the same. What is Jiva?
Sir, how is 273 become a special number? Can 273 become a special number?
273. Reverse it.
732.
Reverse add. Not getting. Then reverse add.
So 5, 4, 6. 7, 1, 9, 1, 1. And again.
In 84, I got 132,
Pets
sir.
are not pets.
Sir,
10, 11.
You have to do it. You have to repeat the process continuously. First time,
Okay.
not got. Second time,
Second.
not got.
Not-
Third time, not got. Don't give up. Fourth time, you got. So like this, you will
I
get.
was trying, but I didn't
Yeah.
get it, so I asked.
You have to keep trying till you get old. Somewhere you will get. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe at the age of 50 or 60 years, you will get this if you keep on doing whole life.
Okay.
5, 7.
Sir, is there any such number? It has a long process, like
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Any number finally will give palindrome. Numbers
Sir, I
will give
did
palindrome at any cost they will give. Maybe
sir, I
take time. If you go for 5-digit, 6-digit number, it will end up at 100 or 120 step. Definitely you will get it. 2-digit number end up easily. 3-digit numbers take time. 4-digit, 5-digit increase, it takes so much time.
Sir, I did 3-digit number 326.
Okay.
3, 6, 3.
Yes, sir, I had made. I got answer
Sir, I have took
949.
57 and I got 363.
Okay, okay. No,
One
no.
digit.
Yeah, time is up. Time is up. Some patterns which already we discussed. If I am not wrong, I think I will show one PPT here. This we did. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
This
Sir, I
we
can
did.
have it on the
In the
paper.
last class.
Yes, sir, here,
Yeah.
no.
So similar to this, we have some PPTs here. See,
Sir, I did this number 345. I got the answer 888.
okay, leave it. Let us concentrate here. See this question. 12 2 ja plus 3, 12 3 ja plus 3, 12 4 ja plus 3. If you look at the answers, you are getting answers. 27 is one answer, 39 is one answer, 51 is one answer, 63. What are the next answers? If you look at, they differ by 12. They differ by 12. They differ by 12. So if you add 12, you will get the next numbers. See, 75 plus 12, 87 you will get. 87 plus 12, 99 you will get.
99.
Plus 12, 111 you will get.
111.
Sir, shall we do this?
No, there's no time now. I will send all this. I will send this.
This is so easy, sir.
See, difference is 12. Difference is 12. Difference is 12. Like this, you have to give the answers. Some pattern. This pattern already we have done.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We have to add by one.
This also we did. You remember? 455, 555.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, here it is.
So some patterns, palindrome systems and magic squares we discussed. That is the end of this chapter. Patterns. Okay. Up to this, the syllabus for the coming oral examination. Next class onwards, we will start revision. And meanwhile, I will try to give alternate day Google Forms on revision of the topics. So first topic, second topic, I will try to give the Google Forms 10 to 15 questions, 20 questions based on the topic. You just attempt all the Google Forms. Whatever you are studying in the Google Forms, they are the important questions. You can expect them in the oral examination also. So we have maximum only one week time. So practice well, work hard and try to get full marks. Okay.
Okay,
After the
sir.
class, I will share whatever we discussed today. Nothing to worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
bye bye.